How's your 2020 year gone so far? I'm just doing a quick video today on how my year's gone so far and the running, what running events I've done, and what has been happening over lockdown and what's coming up. The only race I did do was on so far this year was the 10k Wellington around the bays. That was 10Ks, did that hour 41, which was averagely good time. Was wanting to do better, but that's how that goes. And then after that, on the February the 29th, I did my first park run and I came second there out of over 500 people, so I thought that was amazingly good and did that in a time of 19 minutes and 3 seconds. That's been going good, and last weekend was going to be the weekend for Waitariri Forest Run here in Gila Bend, and it's because that was cancelled because of lockdown. Luckily Seth James Demore had his Seth Demore virtual races, so I entered one of those, 5k run there. I was going to do the 5k anyway, forest runs here in Gila Bend, and then go on to the Rotary one that was also cancelled. That was in the May the 2nd. So I got the 5k done, and that's pretty awesome. Got that on there. Got the results back from Seth James Demore virtual runs. I did okay. It's all in the pen. Harder running by yourself rather than being in the race, proper race, but yeah, that was good. Got my time for the 5k Seth James Demore virtual races was 19 minutes 37 seconds, and is in the next week or next month. Is on May the 2nd, would have been Rotary Marathon. I've signed up for the Rotary Marathon. It was going to be my first marathon, but it was cancelled, so instead of that, today I went on a bike ride to mark out a course that I want to do on the day, the 2nd of May, that Rotary Marathon would have been on. So the 2nd of May, I've got the course there. It starts from my home here, throughout, down around the streets and heading towards Gladstone Road, which is a nice, I like running around there because it's the bush and the river, so it's a good track. It's got a variety, a little bit of incline, some flats, some hills, some bush, and yeah, I've got the course on there. So a little bit, that's what I'll be doing. That's what I'm doing in the future. On May the 2nd, half marathon, and then the goal is still to do the Rotary Marathon on September the 26th, which is making it a bit difficult because you sort of got it coming into winter here and you have to train through the winter and 0 degrees mornings. But if I don't do Rotary Marathon, I would like to do the Auckland Marathon. I've just been busy doing things on my under lockdown, lots of cooking, lots of fruit. The fruit trees are doing well, pear trees, lots of feijoas. Got an apple tree at the back that's must be at least a few thousand apples in that one tree. So they've been donating apples to the free food stand up here and around the corner. Not sure if that's fully the right thing to do under lockdown, but it's free apples, clean organic apples for people on the free food stand there. Just a few thousand apples in that one tree. So they've been donating apples to the free food stand up here and around the corner. Not sure if that's fully the right thing to do under lockdown, but it's free apples, clean organic apples for people on the free food stand there. And I've been getting feijoas and pears and persimmons coming on. So many apples, making apple juices, apple pies. A lot of eating going on under the lockdown. That's why my time's a bit slower, but it's all good, it's all fun. And onwards and upwards. Seth James Demore next year. Seth James Demore virtual races. Might be to the 10k next year. Thanks for watching. Awesome.